Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new, thank you so much for clicking on today's video. For today's video, I am doing a come shop with me. So I've been wanting to go to Dollar General for quite some time now, and I just been forgetting. I don't usually shop at Dollar General. They're kind of like far away from where I live, and we have like maybe one or two stores. So I wanted to go and see if I can find some makeup that you guys have been requesting me to do. So I want to go look for that brand. I don't know which one at the top of my head what it's called, but I'm also hoping to find some cute home decor stuff. I'm in the process of like adding a little bit more decorations to my mantle, my little fireplace in my living room, and also my nursery. If you guys don't know, I am currently pregnant. I am almost 8 months, so I'm due next month, you guys, but I'm trying to get my nursery as cute as possible. But yeah, we're gonna go to Dollar General. Hopefully we don't need to go to two. I'm hoping that I can only stick to one, but if I don't find what I'm looking for, then we're definitely gonna go shopping somewhere else. So I hope you guys enjoy this come shop with me video. If you guys do, make sure you give this video a big thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos like these. I do hauls, drugstore videos, drugstore reviews, makeup tutorials that are super affordable. So a lot of affordable content here on my channel. So with that said, yeah, let's go ahead and go shopping, and hopefully we can find some good stuff.
Okay, you guys, so we are in the like decor section. They have these really cute pumpkins. Obviously it's not even close to being like fall or anything, but how cute are these? These are only $5. They have gold one, and then they have this like bigger one that's teal. This one will look cute in my downstairs living room because my decor is teal. So they have this really cute throw pillow for $10. These are really pretty to just throw them on your couch as cute decor. I actually like this one. Soft throw. So this one's $16, and it's just a throw blanket, and this one actually does go with my home decor. I really like it, but I don't know, what do you guys think? $16? I feel like that's a bit of a reach for Dollar General. I'm gonna just leave it here, and I'm gonna decide on this later. Okay, you guys, so I made it to a different aisle, and I actually just bought some storage bins. I just ordered a storage cube for my nursery, and I love this color. It's gray, which is gonna go perfect with my decor. And these are only $4 at Walmart. I believe they're about $6. So I'm gonna take 4 of these. 1, 2, 3, 4. You guys can see them. It's really, really pretty. Oh my gosh, I am so excited for these. So we're gonna take those. They also have tons of like hair products, hair scrunchies. They have little cute pins. These little like slap bracelets, which my daughter loves. Hair combs, and just a bunch of accessories, which I'm not really looking for anything like that. They have wallets. This black one is actually really pretty, and it's $6. This mermaid one is cute for like teenagers and things like that. Keychains. These are really cool for keeping like colors and things like that. Lonnie does have a storage where she keeps all her colors, so I'm not gonna bother with that. They also have some chanclas, which these are super comfy to just lounge around in the house, and they have them buy one get one half off. These are $8, which is really not bad. And then they have a toddler little chanclitas as well, and then they have cute little baby ones. How adorable. They also have some really cute like baby clothes, which I'm not really buying baby clothes yet because I know for my baby shower drive-by I'm gonna get tons of clothes, so I'm kind of holding back in buying things. But look at how cute. I am here. The rest is history. These are super duper adorable. Drink bottles, Tate models. These are so cute, you guys. I'm not gonna buy any, but now I know that they have them, and 1 for $3 or 2 for $5, which is not bad. These are $9. They have a few different things. These are like women's clothing, I believe. So I'm gonna see if maybe I find like some lounge wear. So I just spotted these cute shorts. How adorable are these? These are perfect for either lounging or for sleeping. I get super hot at night, and these are only $5. They're like suede and they're pink, so I'm definitely gonna take me these shorts because they're cute and comfy. Also, I just spotted this shirt. It's just like a plain basic white t-shirts, but I love white tees, and it's pretty long, which is gonna cover my belly. This one doesn't have a price tag, but I just found the same one, and this one is $5, so I'm also gonna take this. And the material feels really soft, so I'm excited for that. You guys, I think I just hit jackpot. So I've been wanting to put pictures up on my upstairs living room wall because it's literally so plain. And they have this set of 12 frames, and it's a whitewash frame set for 12 bucks. But they have them a buy one get one free, or sorry, buy one get one half off, not free. And I just found this super cute windmill, I think this is what it's called, and this one is $8. So I'm gonna take these two because this one will look super cute on my mantle, and then this one up against my wall. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Okay, you guys, so this is what I actually came in for. This is the Believe Beauty. I've never tried any of these products. I know that this isn't anything new, but I'm really interested in trying out their foundation. I've heard so many good reviews. It's medium to buildable full coverage, and it's supposed to have a beautiful finish. So now to decide what color. So I think maybe this is a shade that might match me, which is called Neutral Tan. So I'm gonna try that one. Oh, this blush is really pretty. This one is in the shade Creamy Peach. So I'm gonna take this one. These are all $5. They also have some translucent powder, and then some light and medium, medium and deep. They're out of the light and medium, so I'm going to take this translucent one and see if this is good or not. They have a sponge as well. This one's $4. It actually looks pretty decent. I like that it's like flat and then like squared at the top, so I'm going to take this one too, and we're going to try it. Hopefully this is like super squishy, not hard. I spotted this one as well. These are highlighters. I'm going to take this one in the shade Champagne Kiss. It looks really, really pretty. It's golden, just like I like my highlighters. Alright, you guys, I'm going to show you everything that I bought from Dollar General. This is actually the next day. Yesterday, I got home and I was so tired. Literally, third trimester is hitting me so hard right now, so I just took the day off. But I'm going to show you guys everything that I got in case you missed anything, but I'm pretty sure I showed you guys everything in the clip, so let me grab my stuff. One of the things that I'm super excited for is this right here. I think this is actually like a really, really good deal. Let me know if you guys have seen these anywhere else cheaper, but this is a set of 12 frames, and the style is a whitewash. So you just display all your favorite pictures, and I have one picture of my daughter, which was her like school pictures, and that's it. Like, we don't have any family pictures or anything in my house, and I really want to start adding more family pictures, especially with a new baby coming. I want to make it a little bit more cute, and I really like the way that they have it set up here, so I'm definitely going to keep the box and use it as inspo. This is not, oh my gosh, okay. I'm glad that I opened this because I just realized that this is broken. Do you guys see that? This is not whitewash. This is gray. Well, that's a bummer. I'm going to go through them really quick to see if they are broken because obviously I'm going to have to go return this and exchange it for a different one. I mean, I did get a good deal for it, but still, like, if I'm not going to use it, I'm not going to keep it. The other one that I got is this one right here. This is, I don't know, it's like a little windmill or something like that. And this one is going to go perfect with my upstairs living room decor. Like I said, I'm going to place this one in my little like fireplace slash mantle. I'm going to show you guys how it's going to look. Obviously, I have to finish
like making it cute and putting it together. These, I don't think I showed them to you guys, but they had these in there. Oh my god, this smells so good. So these are little air fresheners, and these are little like packs. I'm not sure what you call them. They're called envelope satch. And I think, I'm not sure how you use these, honestly. I've had them before. I don't know if you open them or if you're just supposed to put them like in random places throughout your house. But I'm definitely going to put one like in Lonnie's room, close to like her, like where she keeps her dirty laundry, in my room, because I am a huge fan of having my house smell really good. I literally have scents all over my house. I have candles, and I have those candle warmers, and then I have plugins. I have everything around my house. I really love my home to smell really good. So I picked these up. These were $3 each, and it comes with 2 packs. And then when I was checking out, I couldn't help myself, and I noticed that they had some like Mexican candy. Oh my god. If you guys haven't tried Mexican candy, you are missing out. This is some of my favorite candy ever. It's called pulparindos, and these are so extra spicy. They are delicious, as you can see. I already like dove into them. I also bought this one because I saw it at the cash register. This one was only $1, and it's a cute little like coin purse, and it's neon and it's orange, so I was like, why not? I also got some mazapan. If you guys love mazapan, let me know in the comment section down below. And then I got the other pulparindos, which are the regular. These were $1. These were $1. Comes with 12 pack. Oh my gosh, I love these so much, especially if you love eating your like fruit with like Mexican candy. It's the best. For makeup, so I got the sponge, the beauty sponge by the brand Believe. I ended up getting the foundation in the shade Neutral Tan. This is a medium to full coverage foundation. I've heard really good things about it. I'm really excited to try it out, you guys. I'm definitely gonna have to do another makeup look, like a nothing over $5 makeup look. You guys seem to really love those, so I'm definitely gonna bring another tutorial to you guys. I ended up buying the Makeup Perfecting setting spray just because I wanted to try it, and I was like, you know, we're here, why not? I also got the translucent setting powder. This is a matte blur loose powder, which looks like this. I got a blush and a highlighter. This highlighter is in the shade Champagne Kiss. I did open it just so I can look at them and see like how they felt, and they look really nice. It's a really pretty champagne color. The last few items that I picked up are the shorts, which I hate these kinds of hangers. I forgot to tell them to keep them because I hate those hangers. I bought these cute little shorts in a size medium. It is sleepwear. And these look so comfy, and they're cute, and they're suede, and they just look really pretty. So I'm definitely going to sleep in these tonight. I also got this t-shirt. This is Bobby Brooks. I don't know, I guess it's the same brand as the shorts. And I don't think this is sleepwear. I'm pretty sure it's not. It doesn't say it on here. But I love the fabric on this. It's very like breathable, and it's super soft. And I like that it's long because my belly is so big right now that tons of my shirts, like they're so tight around my belly, or you can almost see like the lower half of my panza because it's that big. So yeah, I ended up picking up this one. It's just a basic plain t-shirt, but I love these because you can dress them up, you can dress them down, you can just like wear them to lounge around the house. And I don't know if I said the price, but this one was only $5. And the last items that I picked up were these large fabric storage bin. These were probably like my favorite find from Dollar General, to be honest with you guys. These were only $4, which I thought was a pretty good deal. Like I said, the ones from Walmart are $6 a piece, unless you get like the really tiny ones. I think those are like $3 or $4, but I haven't been able to find cute gray bins like these. So okay, you guys, and those were all the products from my Dollar General mini shopping spree. I was able to find some pretty good stuff. I feel like now that I know what they have, I'm definitely going to go back and maybe shop some more. I really like that they have some pretty cute decor stuff for a pretty affordable price. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give me a huge thumbs up and let me know where you want me to go shopping next and bring you along with me. If you guys want to see more videos like this, I will have a playlist either here or here, so you can just click on those videos and watch any of my previous old videos that I have. Drugstore makeup tutorials, anything that's affordable, I will list it here as well as the description box. So don't forget to check that out. Thank you guys so much for joining me. I hope you guys have an amazing day. Stay safe, and until next time, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye! Mwah.